Hey everybody, and welcome back to the MindCatcher's channel. It is Boxy Charm time, and I am super excited about July's box. I do have some of July's products on my face already, so if you want to stay tuned to watch me actually apply some of these products, I will have a timestamp down in the description box letting you know exactly when the tutorial starts. But for right now, I'm going to show you each and every one of these products. The theme of this month's box is Naturale. So everything I'm going to assume is nice and natural and cruelty-free and all of that good stuff. So we're going to start off with the first thing here on the list. This is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. It says, get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, and more radiant skin. And don't we all want more smooth and radiant skin? Guys, I have been working on my skin care like non-stop for the last 4 to 5 months. I'm seeing some awesome results, so I cannot wait to try this out. And this retails for $35. The next product in the box is from Butter London, and this is the Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. It is beautiful. There are beautiful flowers and everything all over the front. It looks like wood, like it has like this wooden design on it. It's very pretty. It says, serving queendom realness. Bring out your inner goddess with Butter London's vibrant Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. It says, enchant with 6 highly pigmented, long-lasting shades. Whether you're feeling like a diva or a temptress, these cruelty-free shadows pair effortlessly to create imaginative looks that will make a powerful entrance. All right, so this retails for $32. And I don't want to let you guys know what I think about it until the end, so make sure you keep watching. The next product in the box is from Luxie, and Luxie has made an appearance in the box before. This is the Gaea 3-piece brush set. I think it's pronounced Gaea or Gaea. It says, create a perfect look with your new eco-friendly Luxie brush set. Apply foundation with the Luxie 510 foundation brush. Blend your eyeshadow with the Luxie 250 large eye blending brush, and precisely apply color to your crease with the Luxie 246 precision crease brush. So I did use all 3 of the brushes for today's look, and I'm going to definitely let you know what I think at the end. But they are very pretty. They're pink, they're wooden handled brushes, and I will say they are super soft. So you're going to like that if you love soft brushes. The next product is from Alamar Cosmetics, and they've been in the box before. This is called the Mother of Pearl Gloss. So I'm not sure if everybody is going to get the same gloss because it's written on the card, so I'm going to assume everybody's going to get the same gloss, but it says juicy, shade shifting lip luminizer drenched in pearlescent reflex, formulated with rich shaved buckhorn extract and camellia oil. This Mother of Pearl gloss will hydrate your lips while delivering a smooth, shiny, iridescent effect. Completely non-sticky, and that is true. Wear it alone or over your favorite lip liner to lipstick, gluten-free, talc-free, and always cruelty-free. And this retails for $10. I will let you guys know I'm wearing it on my lips right now. You do see the swatch that I did on my hand. So it's supposed to shapeshift, but on my skin, it comes off more as a gold shade. And that's fine with me. It doesn't matter to me. It looks pretty in my opinion. It is not sticky. But at the end, I'm going to let you guys know something special about the gloss. So just stay tuned for that. But the packaging is beautiful. All of the Alomar Cosmetics products that I've seen so far, all of the packaging is impeccable. So kudos to them for that. All right, the next product is from Appeal Cosmetics or Appeal. This is the gel liner, and it says line and define your eyes or lips with your new Appeal gel liner. And this retails for $21. Okay guys, I will say I have a swatch here, and mine is in forest green, so unless I'm wearing a green lipstick, I won't be lining my lips with this. But I will say it is super soft. It just glides right across your skin. It's not like last month's box at all. And if you watch my last month's video, you will see that I have a little issue with the pencil that was in that box. You're going to love this pencil, and if you're a green lover like me, I really want to say that green is my favorite color. You're gonna really adore this, okay? Especially if you get this shade. I'm not sure if everybody's gonna get forest green, but if you do, you're going to love this one. All right, guys, so now that you've seen every single thing that's inside of the box, I'm going to take you through a tutorial using the products that's in the box, and then at the end, I'm gonna give you some of my final thoughts, so stay tuned. All right, guys, let's see what kind of look we can come up with using these products. I'm going to start off with a little concealer on my eyes. This one is from NYX. It's in the shade Tan. All right, I'm going to use the Luxie 510 foundation brush, and I'm going to dip it into some of my powder just to set this concealer. So that works perfectly for that. Of course, you can use this for liquid foundation and other things, but I've always liked using it on the face for like under eye concealers and for powdering my eyes like I'm doing right now. So I'm liking this brush. So let's see in this palette what color we can play around with. All of these are very pretty colors. So maybe I should keep it kind of neutral by using Diva and Temptress. That is those two shades right there. So let's go for it. I'm going to apply Temptress in my crease area. So I'm going to use the Luxie large eye blending brush. And I don't have large eyes, but I want to use this brush just so we'll have an idea of how it works. I have little eyes, so I don't usually use a brush this big. But look at the pigmentation on that dark brown. Very, very nice. And this brush is very soft and dense, and it really allows you to pack on the color. So I'm liking that. All right, I'm going to reach into my own arsenal and find a nice fluffy blending brush, a little bit more tapered. And I'm going to use my face powder just to blend out those upper edges. And I really don't want to use that green. I just did something green, but that green is still calling me. I'm looking at maybe I can use a little bit of Diva and the green in the palette. That green is called Femme Fatale. So maybe I can work it in. Let's see here. So I'm going to pack Femme Fatale right next to that brown. Wow. It is very pigmented. Okay, and I'm going to use the Luxie 246 Precision Crease Brush. I'm going to spray it a little bit with some Fix Plus. And we're going to go into the shade Diva for the inner corner here. Just going back over that green. And then we're going to go back into that brown. Let me find something a little smaller. I'm going to use the Perversion Waterproof Fine Point Eyeliner. This is from Urban Decay. And we're going to create a wing. And I am going to erase a little bit of that line there. It's a little too winged out for me. So let's take a little bit of it away, and that's a little bit more believable. I have some lashes that I want to try out. These are the Alomar and Thalia faux mink lashes, and these are in the style Lady T. So they look pretty. They don't look too thick. I'm over here looking in the mirror. So I think they're going to be nice and flirty. We're going to try these out. These came to me by way of Alomar and Octoly. So I appreciate them for letting me try out these lashes. And I'm hoping they're going to work with my little eyes. Sometimes I have to cut the end of lashes just so I can fit them on my eyes. But they may be okay. Let's see. Just test them out. I don't think I'm going to have to cut them. No, I think they'll be okay. They'll be okay. So I'm going to go ahead and apply those. And they are very pretty lashes. I like that. Not too crazy. They look nice on my small hooded eyes. Very lightweight. They're not scratchy at all. And I didn't have to cut them. So Alomar by Thalia, and they are in Lady T. So I'm going to have the link down below just in case you guys want to purchase these. Very pretty. All right, I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye and I'll be right back. All right, and we're back with both eyes done. And we're going to go into our lash line now. I'm going to use the pencil that came with the Boxycharm. This is from Appeal Cosmetics, the gel liner in Forest Green. So I'm going to apply that in my waterline. And let's see. Oh, wow. Actually shows up. Let's see here. I'm going to use that dark brown in the palette and just go along my bottom lash line with it. And we're going to use a little Perversion mascara. This is also by Urban Decay in that bottom lash line. All right, friends, since there are no other face products, I'm just going to set the face to music and speed it up a little bit, and then I'm going to come back with the lips, so stay tuned. Using the Alamar Mother of Pearl gloss, and I think I'm just going to use a brown liner with it and see what happens. I don't know. Let's try it out. Let's see what happens. Okay, so here is Pitch. And we can fill it in just a little bit. What shade are we going to get when we layer it on top? Let's see. It smells very, very good. It looks almost like a gold on me. So it came out like the same shade it was on my hand. Okay, so I'm actually liking this. This is pretty. And I would wear it just like that with a lip liner and just the shade. It's very pretty. Very, very pretty. So that is it, guys. What do we think about the Boxycharm? I am absolutely loving everything. The 3 brushes now are dirty, but I love, they were very, very soft. They served their purpose. This little brush here, the precision brush, this was excellent. I love brushes like this, like that are flatter, that I can really like pack color on and kind of manipulate the line there in the crease. It is perfect. Like if you want to cut a crease and you put your concealer down or your base down and you really want to get a clean edge, this is perfect for that. Now the blending brush is a bit too big for my little eyes, but someone with larger eyes would absolutely love this. But again, you can use it for anything. You can use it for highlight, blush, whatever. And of course the foundation brush, you can use it for foundation. You can use it like I did to apply powder. You can use it for powder under the eye. No brush has to be used exactly the way it is written. There's nothing set in stone, so you do what you want to do, but I'm loving these. They were very soft and they work. Okay, the Butter London palette. It is, first of all, very, very pretty. All of the flower details on the outside looks like wood and everything, cruelty free. It's so pretty. I'm really digging this, the Natural Goddess palette. It's beautiful. That dark brown is actually dark brown. So kudos to them for that, because sometimes you have a dark brown in a palette and it's not dark brown. This one actually showed up dark brown on my dark skin. So I was very happy about that. The pigmentation of that green shade, Femme Fatale, the pigmentation of that gold shade, that Diva, and Enchantress, which I put in the inner corner. Beautiful. If you want even more pigmentation, wet that brush and you'll get it. I love the fact that they have a nice mirror here to use for your eyes. Like it. Very good. The lip gloss, like I said, loving this, love the smell. Not sticky at all, not gritty. Now on my hand, I just wanted to let you guys know, when I swatched it on my hand and then I wiped it off for the picture, there were little sparkles of gold left on my hand. If that does not bother you, then this is a nice lip gloss. If it does bother you, then pass it on to a friend. The gel liner really surprised me. It's hard getting things to stay in my waterline. As soon as I tear up a little bit, it starts running out, or it looks like I never put anything there. But this actually works. Now, against my dark skin tone, you can't really see it. I mean, like if you were in person, you could say, oh, she has a little green down there. But I can see it, so it's there, and it did swatch nice and smooth. Unlike last month's pencil, this was very, very smooth. So kudos to Appeal. Yeah, Appeal Cosmetics. This was super smooth, did not hurt my eye, was not tugging, and it is packed with pigmentation. So I'm loving that. The last thing in the box, the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Of course, I don't know what it's going to do yet. I'll definitely put this in one of my skincare videos. I'm going to definitely give it a try. It does have a greenish hue, and it smells like it's going to do something to your skin. It's going to do something great to your skin. Have you ever smelled something you're like, oh yeah, that's going to do something? That's what this smells like. It almost smells kind of medicated. It smells like it's going to be some tough pore fighting machine or something. So I cannot wait to give this a try, and this will definitely be in my end of July skincare product video. So you guys make sure you subscribe. Click that notification bell, come back so you can know what's going on. If you like tutorials like this, I do have regular tutorials. There are over 900 videos on this channel. There's something for everybody. I know you'll love it. If you like my hair, I have a video on that. And that's about it. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Cyber kisses. Bye.